In 30 seconds, this dirt lot transforms into a fully realized luxury villa. There are no physical crews here, no cranes, no raw materials, and no high-end cameras. Every frame is generated entirely with free AI tools. New channels on YouTube and TikTok are pulling in millions of views and significant revenue by posting these automated sequences. This workflow allows you to convert a text prompt into a high-density, satisfying visual asset in minutes rather than weeks. We begin by initializing a plan. Paste the master prompt into ChatGPT to set up the structured workflow for our beach house project. This flowchart shows the stages from initial information slicing to final video-guided diffusion. We generate 6 distinct scenes, moving from an empty site to a finished roof. Simultaneously, ChatGPT generates transition prompts. These act as instructions, guiding the animation between each static stage. Skipping this blueprint stage causes hallucinations, where the building's geometry and location shift randomly between frames. A rigid plan is required to anchor the creative output to a realistic timeline. With the blueprint set, we move to the image generation engine within Google's ecosystem, Nano Banana. We generate our first image of the empty land using the initial prompt from ChatGPT. This shows the relationship between a 3D model and its sequential 2D slices. To maintain this spatial data, we upload the Scene 1 image back into the AI as a reference before prompting Scene 2. This reference image locks the camera angle, the lighting, and the horizon, ensuring the next layer of construction appears in the exact same location. We see the difference across samples A1 through C2. On the left, improper referencing creates a jumping landscape. On the right, the structure is stable. We repeat this chain reference process for all 6 scenes, building the house layer by layer. This method simulates the presence of a locked-up tripod on a digital job site. Now we must animate the gaps. We open the Frames to Video tool in Google Flow. To define the transformation, Image 1 is set as the start frame, and Image 2 is set as the end frame. We include a specific No Camera Movement command in the prompt. This forces the AI to focus exclusively on the building's growth. This comparison shows a standard section next to its organic, transformed version. The resulting clip is a smooth 4-second transition where dirt and debris morph into a concrete foundation. These individual clips serve as the bricks for the final cinematic video. We move the clips into CapCut, arranging them in order to form a full narrative sequence. In the corners of these free tier generations, you will find immersion-breaking watermarks. This high-resolution point cloud reconstruction shows why the image quality remains sharp even at high magnification. We increase the scale of our clips to 115% to crop out the watermarks. To anchor the visuals, we layer construction sound effects, hammers, heavy machinery, and ambient wind into the timeline. These technical corrections separate simple AI experiments from professional-grade content. This is the incredible final result, a fully realized luxury beach home built from a single text prompt. You've just used a sequential image reference system to build 3D sequences from thin air. Use this same workflow for skyscraper projects or historical renovations by simply swapping the master prompt. Mastering these tools enables a single creator to simulate months of architectural growth using only text and image sequences.